Okay, if you hear clicking on your machine and it's just not turning the brush, that means it's the drive mechanism. The drive mechanism is easy to fix. It's by taking out screws out of this here underneath, 6 of them, take them out. This cover comes off, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, you're gonna have about 6 of these little screws here, what holds the top on. I've already taken them all off, as you can see, but this one, so you can at least see what it looks like. It's a Phillips head. So you're gonna take the cover off, and now this is all that's to this broom. Now this piece here is the motor, and you're gonna take and remove it, but see what's happening is this is coming off of the pulley system. So we've had to re-engineer it, and we've got a new pulley system on here that's a lot better, more robust. So that is the problem. So now we need to switch out this pulley assembly for the drive motor, and your problems will be fixed. So now I've got the drive assembly out, and we're just going to disconnect this cord here. Cord is disconnected. Now all you do is you're going to slide this new one in and plug in the new cord. This cord is now plugged in. It's going down into the slot. We'll screw this one. There's another screw right here on this side. We'll screw those 2 and you'll be done. Now we'll screw down these screws back in the holes. Okay. Now the second screw. Got that. Now we'll put the top back on. Now it'll be ready to be turned on and to work.